name is Sherry Donnelly, and this is my very first live streaming video. So I'm a little nervous, so bear with me for a little bit. I have a CMA designation and a CPA designation, and I have been in business, my own personal business, for a year and a half. And prior to that, I have about 30 years experience in the accounting industry. So what I want to do is just give you a little bit of information about how to account for your expenses for a small business, and thought I could just take you through a couple of slides and give you some information of what to take care of when you first start your business. All right. If there's any questions at any time, feel free to join in the chat and ask me any questions, and I'll answer what I can. All right, so now I'm going to share my screen, and we'll go over a couple of slides that show the direct expenses that you can use for your business. So small business accounting. And the first thing that we're going to talk about in this workshop is the direct expenses. Now, these are expenses that you've incurred that related to you earning the income. For instance, let's take supplies. If you have office supplies, such as paper clips and pens and paper, you know, ink for your printer would be included in supplies. Your bank charges. So if you have a separate bank account, you can deduct all of your bank charges, your bank fees that you have on a monthly basis. So it's worth your while to open a separate bank account for your business so that you can run your revenue and expenses through there and deduct your bank charges. Okay, the next thing is meals and entertainment. This is a tricky one. According to the Canada Revenue Agency, you can deduct only 50% of your meals and entertainment costs. So you keep track of your meals and entertainment, and then when you go to do your income tax, you take 50% of whatever you've spent, and that's what you can deduct for income tax purposes. Another thing is advertising. If you have advertising in the way of a web page, or if you do advertising flyers, all of those things can be deducted. Now, there's a listing of expenses that are common and usual that you can get from the what do you call it? The CRA website that says what can be deducted for income tax purposes. Now, the general rule from the CRA is that you can deduct any costs that are directly help you earn income. So I gave an example here. Each type of business could be different. For example, a model can deduct their makeup used for photo shoots. Now, there's not many other jobs that I know of where you could deduct makeup as a business expense. So for each type of business that there is out there, there's some general rules that will cover most things, and then it will be specific to that business as to some other different kinds of costs that can be deducted. So that's all I'm going to go over for today. If you have any questions, you can feel free to add them, and you can go to my web page and ask questions there if you would like. I am going to be doing another webcast in a week. So I will be doing them Tuesdays at 7 p.m. And you can join me and find out some more things. The next one is what we're going to be talking about is your home expenses, the expenses that you can deduct from your income for the use of your home. All right. Well, thanks very much, everyone, and looking forward to seeing you next week. Thanks. Bye-bye.